Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lay, and today I'm going to show you this lovely hairstyle with crinkly curly locks right after the braid out. This is a hairstyle that's meant for just a quick updo that's cute. You can throw some earrings on. You know, it's really short, simple, quick. Anybody can do it. Really, if you have enough length to put your hair in a ponytail, you can do it. The only materials I use for this hairstyle is 2 hair bows. If you can't use just 2 hair bows, you can use bobby pins to pin up your hair, because I know, trust me, I know the struggle. Some days your hair want to work with you, some days it don't. So you can use you can definitely use some bobby pins and to secure these 2 buns. But this is a short, simple, easy hairstyle you can do with crinkly locks. It's very easy because you have texture in your locks because it's crinkly. Or you can just wear it straight down and wear the braid out as it is. I've been wearing the braid out for about a week now, so I wanted to switch it up. This is the crayon case, honey. The crayon case. Yes, don't be fooled. This is the crayon case. As soon as I look, it's like talking normal, and then as soon as you're blinded at this point. You don't even know what's going on. You can't see. Anyways. you liked this video, please like and subscribe. If you didn't like this video, please like and subscribe. And I will see you next time. Peace.